Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's ready to get started with our Neuhass. Today we will be doing concept 13. So here we go. Okay, guys, so I want you to say each word after me. Rose, noise, is, has, rise, as. What sound is the same in all the words? Yes, z. So now I'm going to write the words, or I'm going to type them out for you. And we're going to see what letter is the same in all the words. So we have rose, noise, is, has, rise, and as. What letter is the same in all the words? Yes, the letter S. So think about the letter S and think about things that you know about the letter S. So we know that it makes the S sound. And there we go. Okay. The letter S can be pronounced Z. The Z sound is blocked by the teeth. So everybody say Z. And think about where your tongue goes when you say Z. Your teeth are blocking it from coming out. The Z sound is a voice consonant sound. It is a continuant sound. Now we're going to go over our Neuhass word card deck. So I'm going to give you a chance to say them, and then we're going to say them together. Okay? Here we go. Sit. Sip. Pin. In. Tin. Tip. Pit. It. Sin. Spin. Tint. Pits. Past. Snap. Pass. And our new words today are going to be ass, span, and spit. Okay, so this is going to be our reading practice for today. First, we're going to read for accuracy. Okay, so I just want you to read the word out loud as I point to each word. Okay. Now, before we move on, I want to remind you guys that a closed syllable ends in a consonant and an open syllable ends in a vowel. Okay, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and our consonants are the other letters of the alphabet. So if it ends in a consonant like this is a consonant because it's not A, E, I, O, or U. Then that means that this whole word is a closed syllable word. So let's look at the first word in row 1. What type of syllable is this? Closed. How do you know? Because it ends in a consonant. What sound will the vowel make? Now I know some of you guys said the word, but we want to know the vowel. Remember, our vowel here is I, and it's going to make I. So when I touch the word or when I point to the word like this, you're going to read it. Ready? Read. Tis. Good job. Okay, let's look at the second word. What type of syllable is this? It is also closed. How do you know? Because it ends in a consonant. Good job. Prepare your word. Ready? Read. Is. Let's look at the third row. What kind of syllable is this? Closed. How do you know? Because it ends in a consonant. Prepare your word. Ready? Read. Good job. Let's move to this. What type of syllable is this? Closed. What sound will the vowel make? Prepare your word. Ready? Read. Pass. Let's look at this word. What type of syllable? What sound will the vowel make? Ah. Prepare your word. Ready? Read. Sap. Let's look at this word. Prepare your word. Ready? Read. Snap. Okay, let's look at all the words in row 3. I want you to think about the syllable type and vowel sound in each word. Prepare all your words. Ready? Read. Sips. Sass. Past. Point to row 4. Look at all your words. Think about the syllable type and vowel sounds in each word. Prepare all your words. Ready? Read. Asp. Spit. Pan. Point to row 5 and look at all the words. Think about the syllable type and the vowel sounds in each word. Prepare all the words. Ready? Read. Spin. Span. Taps. Now, let's think about the word's details. I want you to look at row 1. Remember, rows go left to right, columns go up and down. So let's look at row 1. I want you to point to the word that rhymes with sass. The word is ass. I hope that's the word you guys pointed to. Very good. Look at row 2. I want you to point to the word or words that rhyme with clap. Which words rhyme with clap? Sap and snap. Look at row 3. Point to the words that means to drink something by taking small mouthfuls. Our word is sips. When you sip, like if you sip hot cocoa, you're not going to just drink it like you drink cold water when you're hot. If you sip something, you're going to drink it very slowly. Look at row 4. I want you guys to look at all these words and point to a word that looks unfamiliar to you. Point to a word that you maybe haven't seen before. My word was asp. Okay, I had never seen that word before. Okay, let's look at row 5. Point to the words that are verbs. Verbs are actions, things that you do. So you should have pointed to spin and taps. So because I didn't know what this word meant, I looked it up on Google. And it seems that it is something like a cobra. So like a snake, a reptile. Then I looked up images, and these are the images that it came up with. So if we don't know what a word means, all we have to do is look it up. Okay, so Finally, we're going to read for automaticity or fluency. Remember, rows go side to side, columns go up and down. So first, let's read down the columns. Let's look at column 1, so that would be these words right here. Column 1, ready, read, tis, pass, sips, asp, spin. Column 2, ready, read, is, sap, sass, spit, span. Column 3, ready, read, ass, snap, past, pan, taps. Great job. Now we're going to read up the columns. Let's start with column 3 and read up. Here we go. Taps, pan, past, snap, ass. Let's read up column 1. Here we go. Spin, asp, sips, pass, tis. Let's read up column 2. Ready, read, span, spit, sass, sap, is. Awesome job. Okay, so let's review the new letter that we learned today. What letter did we learn? It was definitely the S. And how was that letter pronounced up today that we learned? It was pronounced Z. So even though it was the letter S, it was pronounced Z. Is it a vowel or a consonant sound? It is a consonant. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. Okay, good job. See y'all next time.